all day all night 네가 바란 대로 나는 될 거야 rap star Looking for bills 더 늘어나는 팀 네가 싫어하던 게 늘어나 Living more life better life 또 따라오는 사랑은 나 thanks to the God 한 개만은 또 넘어지면 다시 일어나서 세상에 충지를 박 왔던 대로 그냥 하던 대로 스타일 사인 족하고 그냥 막 가는 거지 이제 말만 하는 워너비들 깔아놓고 수면 위로 하여 위로 올라가지 Red flow 팀 네가 바라던 팀 아메리 내 법을 할리우 던져니 아무도 못 보는 이유 난 너무 높아 엎지르지 않는 그 위치 리듬 타고 다닐 거라 switch Fuck your team now win 이닝의 모사이크 이제 세상이 나를 주목해 watch me Fuck your game I win 거꾸로 올라가 just shoot 반대로 살아난지 while we still shade 없지 dude
Another level of lies 더 큰 거짓말을 위해 삶 I got another level of lies 나는 더 큰 세상을 살
So we're sitting outside the Playmakers and Logan's watching games, as you can see, as intensely as he's staring at the screen and not paying me any mind. That's fine. I can find ways to entertain myself. I'm used to it.
Hey, you know what Sundays are? Just because we're on the ship don't mean things
Listen,
change.
I understand. So, yes, I'm just having me a slice of pizza and trying this ham and turkey wrap. I know it seems like all we're doing is eating on this cruise ship, but the food has been immensely better than what we had last cruise, so I'm just trying to enjoy it. So yeah, and it looks like they're getting ready for Halloween. If you want to see some of the decorations they have up on the stairs there. Yeah, there we go. They're getting ready for Halloween. They're supposed to have like a costume contest tonight, and then I don't know if you can see like the ghosts and all that stuff, the inflatables. So yeah, it's interesting to see what Halloween on a cruise ship would be like. Yeah, so we are going to watch a little football and eat a little pizza, and we'll get back to you when we move on to the next venture. Hello.
Hello.
What are we doing?
Trying to figure out what the scores are in my fantasy team.
Oh, outside of that, where are we? What are we doing?
We're on the scavenger.
We're doing a scavenger. What kind of scavenger?
Halloween scavenger.
A Halloween scavenger hunt.
It's Halloween.
It is Halloween.
We're still waiting on rules.
Yeah. Okay, well, when we get the rules, we'll let you know what they are.
Alright, well, welcome to this family activity. This is the scavenger hunt, the Halloween family scavenger hunt. And by the way, happy Halloween to everyone. Yeah, happy Halloween. I can see a lot of kids with stuff like, wow, those are great. Those are great. Parents, you're amazing. This is great. And I've seen some families that are all actually dressed up. That's even better. This is great, guys. So just keep having that kid in you. Alright, so we're gonna have the Halloween scavenger hunt. You know that due to like new protocols and all that things that is happening around the world, now the Halloween scavenger hunt before it was trick or treat. And we were going from one place to the other one and they were giving us candies, right? Well, now we're gonna switch a little bit. We're gonna have the scavenger hunt. You're gonna go through all the stations, and then when you get to the final one, that's where you're gonna get the surprise.
I am not good at quiz.
But it's your deal.
We'll see how guys. Enjoy the
Hey,
scavenger hunt.
so we do this as a team.
All right, scavenger hunt, guys. First clue. It feeling a wave you like, a surf table you need to ride. I know where that is, but I think everybody's gonna go there first.
So you want to try to go first?
Yes.
Singing and dancing, seats and rows.
Let's find a ship map. You know where the helicopter pad is? What deck is on?
Doors closing.
Are you being competitive?
A little bit.
I'm not really stressing it. I just want the kids. I want the kids to win, but I still want the candy.
I feel like a lot.
Yeah. Okay.
Working all day all night 네가 바란 대로 나는 될 거야 rap star Working for bills 더 늘어나는 팀 네가 싫어하던 게
So, what's the clue again? Sorry.
The clue is, hold on, you hold this. The clue is, the pumpkin uses her driver here and is so orange that a hole in one can be spotted from the red classic van.
Somebody's beat us.
Hello.
Hi.
Perfect. There you go.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Working all day all night 네가 바란 대로 나는 될 거야 rap star
It says, or aft, if you can spot the big H-shaped helicopter, you may see land by the edge.
What date do you think this? Where are you at on food?
I could eat
Alright, where do you want to go eat?
Playmakers, Johnny Rocket.
Let's go to Johnny Rockets because the Braves game doesn't start till 8.
Okay.
So I'm saving Playmakers for the Braves game.
Okay, no problem.
Alright, so off to Johnny Rockets.
Alright, it's time for an episode of Brandon's Chicken Wing Reviews with Brandon and the ranch that's in his mustache. So Brandon, how those wings treat you?
The best wings I've ever had on a cruise ship. Caveat.
Only wings you ever had on a cruise ship. Good, thank you.
Taking that caveat out of it, I'll give it 3.5.
3.5. Okay, 3.5 wings. All right.
They got a crispy, they got a good flavor to them. They're just big enough for satisfaction.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so 3.5 out of 5.
3.5 out of 5. All right. Thank you for joining us for Brandon's Chicken Wing Review. We'll see you on the next one.
So we just had the Battle of the Sexes contest. It was fun. So now they're about to do a costume contest. As you can see by our attire, we're not properly dressed for to participate in a costume contest. I just ran into Pennywise. We'll add that video in. That was terrifying. Help me! Help, please! But yeah, so we're gonna take into this costume contest. I'm gonna check back in on the World Series after this. I think the Braves are winning 5-4 still, so we'll hit y'all up after we leave here. And we're back like we never left. So yeah, the costume party was interesting.
Very.
We got some footage of it, so we'll show you guys what happened. But it was very creative.
It was some creative costumes. It's something stuff I would have never thought of. We've had a full day.
Very full day.
I'm proud of myself. I stayed awake.
She did, and I'm usually the one who goes to bed early. But this whole crew's out been like staying awake, and she's the one who's been passing out. So, we're switching roles, I guess.
For a little while.
So, I would stay up and watch the World Series game, but the Braves are losing 9-5. So I will go to sleep and regroup and watch them on Tuesday, and then we'll go ahead and rest up for the night. And tomorrow we're gonna do the ship tour.
Yeah, I think we'll do a quick one. Those get boring because I want to get back to the fun stuff. So I do want to show what's on the ship, man, what we've been experiencing. But yeah, we'll do that tomorrow, and we're gonna get some rest tonight. I'm gonna actually sleep hopefully past 6:30 in the morning.
Yeah. I'll wake up around 9, so I'm sure I'll see you guys after 9. She'll probably see you guys before 9, but I will not be up until 9.
All right, guys. Well, you have a good night, and remember to live your dreams.
No, okay.
What?
No. First they need to like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Then you live your dreams.
One destination at a time.
All right, bye, guys.
Good night.
Salad with ginger dressing. I do not like ginger dressing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is Siobhan.
And this is Brandon.
And we are Parkers on the go.